Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. As we people know that plants show the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotroph, it is composed of two Latin words. Auto means self, troph means nourishment or nutrition. Nourishment or nutrition. Hence, from the word itself, we came across that particular information that autotrophic nutrition or autotrophs are those organisms which prepare their own food, prepare their food from inorganic raw materials. Inorganic raw materials like carbon dioxide and water. Like carbon dioxide and water. यानी कि autotrophic nutrition or autotrophs is autotrophs are those organisms, or autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition where certain organisms prepare their own food or prepare their food from inorganic raw materials like carbon dioxide and water. These organisms are also called as autotrophs. Autotrophs. Almost all green plants and certain microscopic organisms like blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria or blue-green algae, they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And this process, it is a very unique process which is shown by certain green plants and cyanobacteria. The process is called as photosynthesis. And why it is called as photosynthesis? Because in this particular process, certain raw materials or certain organic compounds like carbon dioxide and water, it is being synthesized, or there is the union of these two inorganic compounds by light or by sunlight or by sun's rays. That is why the process is known as photosynthesis. The process is known as photosynthesis, because for the synthesis of raw materials or for the synthesis of or for the union of raw materials, what is needed? Light is needed. We know that green plants have green leaves, and in those green leaves there are the presence of certain photosynthetic units called as chloroplasts, and these chloroplasts have a green pigment in them that is called as chlorophyll. What happens during this photosynthesis? That carbon dioxide along with the water in the presence of sunlight is synthesis or is combined in chloroplasts or in the presence of chlorophyll, and it results in the formation of carbohydrates like CH2O, or this is usually shown by X molecules of CH2O along with the formation of X molecules of oxygen. X molecules of oxygen. It means that X indicates that we did not know how much these molecules, that is carbohydrate molecules. Carbohydrates are those compounds which are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrates are taken by the humans in the form of sucrose, glucose, fructose, or whenever we take vegetables or we take fruits, we took this carbohydrate along with that particular fruit or that particular vegetable. Besides this, there is the elimination of oxygen gas, and that oxygen gas is very much beneficial for the human life or other life on this planet Earth. So that was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.